Hi guys, it's Matthew here, and in today's video I'm going to be making ice cream in a bag. So I got a bag of ice, and I got some milk, and I got the salt, and I got this right here, and I got a spoon, and I got this stuff too, so I'm going to be using that. So first we're going to pour the milk and cream in this cup right here into this sandwich bag. So make sure to close the bag really tightly so that there's not any air in it. So now you want to open the bag and pour 1/3 cup of salt in it. So now I'm going to shake the bag to distribute the salt. Now I'm going to take the bag with the cream in it and I'm going to place it in the bag with the ice. And now I'm going to seal the bag. So I'm going to make sure there's no air in the bag again and then seal the bag. Once you get your bags like this, you want to shake it up until your cream mixture looks like ice cream. As you shake the bag, you'll realize that the slushy mixture is colder than the ice cream itself, which we'll need to make the ice cream. We're going to keep on shaking until we get ice cream consistency. Be careful with your hands, guys, because now it's really cold and it's starting to look like ice cream. So now you're going to shake until you get the ice cream consistency that you want. I think I'm about done. So now I'm going to open the bag and take it out and use my scooper to scoop some of the ice cream. So guys, now it has an ice cream consistency. I'm just scooping it out. Alright, that's a big enough scoop. And now I'm going to try it. It's actually good and it does taste like ice cream. So yeah. It's really cold though.
So what are your honest opinion on what it tastes like after making your ice cream?
Yeah, I like it. I think it's good. Obviously, it's not the best ice cream in the world, but it's good.
But does it really taste like ice cream though?
Yeah.
It does?
Yeah.
So what do you want to tell your subscribers?
If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye. Guys, Matthew here, and in today's video I'm at the Children's Museum at the Grosvenor.
Me too. It was pretty popular among my peers, but I just never